Hi, good morning guys. Yeah, I have been up since 7 a.m. and I've been just sitting in my bed, chilling at my computer, editing some stuff. Today, I'm gonna be filming a vlog again, yay. I mean, some of you are requesting that I film vlogs, but sometimes don't really get the feeling that you want vlogs from me. I don't know. Let's address the elephant in the room, and for those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, you see I have freckles. Yes, I got carried away with henna and I made myself some fake freckles. Some of you maybe come on to me and be like, hey, that's not appropriate and all that. There are people that hate their freckles and don't like them, but I personally have always loved freckles and I really always wanted to try and make myself some fake freckles, so I did that and I'm very pleased with the results. Like, the trend of making fake freckles has already died, but I don't care, I just wanted to do that, so I did, and that's what's up. Since I'm chilling in bed, hello, you can see me right there. So in today I am gonna meet up with my friend Beāte, which you've seen either in her own vlogs where I'm in, and so finally I am making a vlog where she's going to be in, and this vlog is gonna be a mix of English and Latvian, but I'm gonna provide you with subtitles, and we're gonna meet up at her place and make some interesting food because we've always wanted to make some vegan dinner together. Like, she makes something and I make something, so this vlog is gonna be about food. Yay, I'm already really hungry thinking about that. So right now I'm gonna make myself a little breakfast. I think I'm just going to make some boiled potatoes, nothing interesting. Now I just came to the kitchen and opened up my fridge. These are the potatoes I peeled yesterday. I was making potato pancakes, but I peeled too many, so now I'm gonna be boiling them and making some breakfast. So as you saw, I just cut up some vegetables, and I know it doesn't look like much, but I'm just craving something, let's say, really clean. Like, I don't want anything fried. I just want like fresh vegetables and some potatoes, and I know that doesn't look appetizing for some of you, but that's just what I'm craving right now. But we're gonna be making much more interesting food when I'm gonna be at Beāte, so you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. I have to think of a recipe that we can do. And I remember I have this book, this famous book, and I thought I should pick up a nice recipe that I want to make. So let's go and see. Baked almond puff donuts. Ooh, that sounds nice. Maybe I'm gonna try and make these. I don't know. What do you think, guys? As much as you saw, I just made my boring food, which is not gonna be boring later today. And I'm just gonna eat it because I need to eat something before I meet my friend Beāte. I'm just going to be eating me breakfast and then I will be getting ready. So I'll see you in a bit. So I just finished my food and now I am about to get ready because soon I'll have to leave and go meet up with my friend Beāte, and we will go food shopping and then go to her place and make some food. So let's get ready. So I just finished my makeup. Love this look, love it for me, love them freckles, I'm really digging them. I did, like, let's say a light but heavy makeup. What am I gonna be doing now is getting ready, getting dressed, and then going and heading off to meet my friend Beāte. I really don't know what to wear because, and it's not like a fashion emergency, it's the fact that it's cold outside, so I stick my head outside. Smell the air, it's really cold, I hate it. I think I'm gonna be wearing the same thing that I've been wearing for the past 4 days, which is my black oversized hoodie with the design of mine on it, and black pants, and my boyfriend's jacket, which is like a denim jacket with a soft inside, and it's really nice. So I'm gonna be getting dressed. So my outfit is done. It's nothing special though, it's just a t-shirt, high-waisted pants, a belt, which I think I have pulled too tightly together. Not that small anymore. Have gained a few pounds. who cares? The perfect look will be pairing it with my boyfriend's jacket, and it's a very nice look, and I will be wearing my dusty pink Nike shoes. But since it is a bit colder outside than this, I'll be wearing my hoodie and then this. So if you want my hoodie or a hoodie that has a design on it, or a t-shirt or whatever, you can have them in different colors and different sizes. I got this one as an XL, so I love oversized stuff. So this is what the oversized hoodie looks like. It is really comfortable, plus it has a very soft inside. So if you wish to get yourselves a nice warm hoodie, go down to the link in the description. I left it there for you. And then I'm gonna be wearing this over that. All that I have to do now is pack my bag and actually head out because it's time. I'm ready to go. Let's go. I don't like this. It's too cold for me.
Hello!
Viņu var apgriezt apkārt pēc tam, tas nav svarīgi.
I'm always very lazy.
So we buy the ingredients.
Mums ir līdzēklas. La 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 la.
Yay!
I'm in love. Don't look, don't look.
You wanna get mad? Look at all the shit is packaged.
So sad.
Boy.
Boy. This is the future. Oh my god. Tas ir tā kā monkey lights, kad man bija uz riteņa. What is the difference between the red onion and the white onion?
Onion.
I will just trust the color. Pulkstenis ir 13:31.
Tikko aizgāja, kad 21.
Welcome to the countryside.
Yo. Welcome to the Babs and Beāte cooking show. So actually we have a problem, yeah? I wanted to make the donuts, but we don't have no puff pastry.
Nopirku jaunu katliņu.
Oh, he's so shiny!
Kas te notiek? Man virtuve tik liela izskatās šeit.
Experimenting very much. This is lunch.
This is for you, Barbsy. Bon appetit.
Thank you. I got some cacao with the beef. Thank you, baby.
Īstenībā es atcerējos, kā es pirmo reizi mizoju kartupeļus vispār savā dzīvē.
Tell us that story.
Tas bija laukos. Man iedeva nazi. Man bija kādi 5 vai 6 gadi. Es sēdēju ar spaini, ar kartupeļiem un spaini, tā kā, kur viņas likt nomizotus. Un priekšā bija vēl viens spainis, kur mizas.
Bet tā visi darīja.
Un es mizoju kartupeli apmēram šādi. Tā kā nogriezt pusi nost.
Man bija maziņā riktīgi
no tāda
balva.
kartupeļa palika apmēram šitāds. Dabūs pa Beāte.
Drop the beat. Welcome to my cooking show. That's what it looks like. I need the cookbook up front. So now I'm gonna be making some flax egg.
I need a spoon. Spoon. Rusty spoon. Cik liela spūna tev vajag? Zeku tev būs karots.
Isn't this the cutest mother cracking thing I've ever seen?
Tās bija, tas es pati rāvu no zemes ārā.
Oh! No donuts today. Because my dumbass
Ko tu nepareizi saprati?
did not read. We're gonna have glazed.
Blazed.
We're gonna have blazed donuts.
Jā.
I messed up. Just like bodies, my croissants come in all shapes and sizes.
This is also from Sri Lanka, garšviela.
Wow, very special. Oh, this is
Kurkuma is very healthy.
fact.
Kurkuma is what you need.
Soup's doing.
Soup is very fine. Chili, kurkuma, beets.
Beets. And I'm making some failed croissants. Don't mind these guys. Look at
Viņai
this.
izstāsta ļoti tādi, tā kā mustache.
Yeah.
This is the
It's a
mustache.
mustache.
Šo te plastmasu arī iegriezīsim zupā.
Yummy!
Visi šie zaļumi nāk tepat no Latvijas, bet plastmasa, I don't know, it doesn't look like Latvian plastic. Just this.
Latvian.
What is this made from? From it very
Ching shang shlong.
Kas tas ir? Ko lai jūs darat tagad ar šo? Remember this.
Ta-da! I think I'm done. I'm covered all in milts. Milts. So, what else do I need to do? I don't know. Since our donut fun time failed, okay, I think I can pop these in.
I think I can pop these in.
For 15 minutes. This guy is not opposite. Bang, bang, skeet, skeet. Just a couple of beats. Actually on camera it looks funny, but this is a glaze that we just made.
Looks like
And this is
birds.
That's our dinners.
Uzdejojiet laimes deju.
What is the happy dance? This is the happy dance. A very lazy happy dance.
Buongiorno. Otrā reize, ka es tā izdomāju.
Oh, it's very good, very good. I love food. What is
Šis ir
that?
labākais. Šis ir labākais.
Yeah.
Jā. Okay.
Okay. I know it's pretty
Nav kārtīgi izcepušies pa viņām.
Bet es nevaru slīpa karsti tā cepašķi. Un tu izcepās no ārus un neizcepās iekšā. Bet tas glazes ir nice.
Jā, viņš vienam nav garšīgs.
I'm not mad at it.
Nē, vispār ļoti garšīgi. Paldies.
Nē, paldies tev.
Nē, paldies
Nē,
tev.
paldies tev.
Nē, paldies tev.
Nē, paldies tev. Funny Faces is back. Mēs esam pierušās, pārēdušās. Karsts. Tur karsti.
Nē.
Ooh!
HOODIEs.
Oh no! Sāks lietas.
Nē.
Okay, we're ending the vlog here. It was much fun.
Bye.
Well, bye!